All right. Drew again with Dyke Services. We are here in Ormond Beach today, back in Huntington Village, and today we are doing some paver sealing. We've got a driveway, walkway, and a back patio pavers. These are actually stamped pavers. So if you take a look, you see how the pavers are uneven, and even the way the water is settling into the low spots is the same thing that the sealer will do if we don't back roll these. So these stamped pavers, we do always go ahead and back roll after we spray to make sure we get an even coat instead of getting the solid built up in the low spots. Now, this neighborhood also has a lot of excess moisture. It stays pretty wet out here, and so they have some issues with some calcium deposits, some efflorescence, and things of that nature. So for this job in particular, we're going to be pre-treating everything with a product called Total Prep. That's a ICT product, Innovative Concrete Technology, same company that makes the Uraseal H2O, which is the sealer that we're going to be applying on this as well. And that's it for now. We're going to be giving you guys a little bit of a step-by-step and kind of breaking down how we make them shine. Join the wave.